Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today we are gonna go do some datalogging with the Mustang, and hopefully we're gonna figure out an issue with the car that has been smoking a little bit, and I think it's kind of like a turbo issue. And basically, if I turn up the boost past like 11 pounds, it wants to smoke. It's just weird, and it'll smoke after a pull, and it'll smoke a little bit sometimes during a pull. But if I turn the boost down, it doesn't smoke at all. So I don't get it. So I went through, and for some reason I never deleted the PVC. Yeah, the PVC valve. That's what it's called. Basically, a little check valve that's on the passenger side. I don't know why that skipped my mind, and I could tell that on my passenger side, because I run breathers, and on the driver's side breather, it was wet. You know, you could tell that, oh, you know, that just the vapors are going through them. And the passenger side breather was dry. So I said, well, there's obviously a reason. So I got online, did my homework, asked the right people, like I always do. That's one thing about me. If there's anything I'm unclear about, I will ask the right people about any kind of information that I'm not 100% on. So everybody said, take the check valve out, pull it off, take the check valve off, and go run it, see if it still does it. So that's what we're gonna go do right now. Because if you see that, I don't know, it might be a little glare, but we got a storm coming. It's Florida, rains every damn day now in the summertime. So we're gonna do a quick datalog, because I've been promising Caleb a datalog for like 2 weeks now, and he's been asking me for it. That's a good tuner when they're asking me for it, since I turned up the boost. But I'm on the safe tune, but I need to send him a log just to make sure everything's all good with the car. And the car's running really good, but let's just get this out, and hopefully we can get the smoking issue fixed. Because basically, if you hold too much crankcase pressure, it'll basically stop the oil from coming in to the engine back through my return system, and basically it'll hold the oil up in the turbos. There you go, you got smoke. So hopefully that's it. Hopefully I figured it out. If it's not, I guess we'll see. So let's get in the car. Let's get everything together. Gotta get that. Wife's coming with me, so she's my datalog queen, and hopefully we'll get this thing figured out. We're gonna go ahead and do this datalog, and hopefully I fix the smoke issues. Don't want to have no more smoke issues, because they're aggravating the crap out of me. I turned up the boost. It should be somewhere between maybe 12. I mean, the datalog will say it, but about 12 and a half pounds. So let's see if that vent, the PCV valve fixed it, hopefully. All right, we're going. No smoke. I don't see no smoke. Hopefully I fixed it. I want to see how much boost it's making. So go ahead and, if you want, focus the camera on the gauge.
Okay, so we're not messing with this?
No. Honey?
Yes, it's very difficult.
Oh, fuck.
God damn it.
God damn it. I tell him, I'll be listen, bro, I was just doing a datalog. he's coming. Fucking A. Should have turned left.
I'm gonna shut this.
Yeah, no, don't shut it. I said, listen, bro. I was doing a dialogue. I'm trying to. You have your laptop open. Just gotta send it to the tuner right quick. That's all I was doing. Tag, making sure I'm good.
7 o'clock.
He turned away.
It's almost 7 o'clock. You probably
Oh yeah, it's shift change. He's going home. He's like, screw this. I got time to spend time with this dude. Okay, all right, we're back to normal. Maybe he saw the GoPro on the roof and he'd be like, oh crap, we'll get on recording and stuff. I ain't messing with this. No smoke. I haven't seen smoke once. No smoke. So that was bad. Ooh, I'll give you guys here a clip what it was doing. It was pretty bad. I mean, it was a decent puff of smoke, and it was doing it on basically full send. It would smoke a little bit, and then when I would stop, it would just be a big old puff. It did it yesterday going to Carts of Coffee. It didn't do it the whole time I drove over there. And as soon as I got in Carts of Coffee, I'm rolling in there. I look like a damn chimney. Yeah. So hopefully maybe I fixed it. We'll see. Car's moving well. Car feels good. Oh, this is not helping me because she wants boost. No, this doesn't help. Alright guys, so we're back home. Yeah, it made me a little nervous with the cop in the back, but it is what it is. I mean, I was probably going, I don't know, it's going fast enough. I was going fast enough. So, it was only second gear. That was only second gear pull. Thankfully, I didn't throw in the third. But anyways, back home. Car feels good. Looks like the smoking issue is done. Hopefully, not a lick of smoke. And really glad. Thank you guys in the Boosted Cyclone community. They just pretty much all said the same thing, and I don't know why I never did it before. Honestly, just skipped my mind. I should have done it as soon as I went turbo, but I don't know. It was fine on their lower boost, but as soon as I turned it up, that's when the issue started happening. But thankfully, I think we got it, and I'm happy with it. I just want to show you right quick. All right, guys. So see, there's my breather. See, that one looks a little more wet, and you can see it. You can see a little bit of the vapors coming out. And this one is the one I took the check valve out, and you can now see some vapor coming out of it. Like before, you would never see anything, and you can tell it's a whole lot drier looking. So clearly, it's clear that I was doing something wrong. But you can see, engine sounds good, car feels happy, turbos are happy. I don't know if you can see them down there. I know they're low down, they're super hard to see, but they're down there. And so far, I'm really happy with the car. The car is actually running really, really good right now. and just I don't know what else to do when it comes to engine mods. I'm not really touching this car anymore. Performance wise, I don't want to turn it up anymore. I mean, I could, but I think I'm already close to pretty much the brink of maybe pushing it too far. And I've already told my wife, when it goes, it goes. It's gonna go one day. This car's been boosted since 2016. So this car's been boosted like early 2016, like February, March of 2016. So we're talking 4.5 years already going on. And the engine has been, God, these engines are great. Engine has been more than, so this engine owes me nothing. If it lets go anytime, I'm not gonna complain one bit. This engine owes me absolutely nothing. And I will probably, when that happens, then that's when I'm gonna consider what to do. Do I just build it? As long as I don't blow, you know, a rod out the side of the block, do I build it? Do I just throw another stock engine in it and go another 4 years, maybe not have to worry about nothing? So it's a lot to think about, but I would like to make me, if I build it, I'm gonna make some power with it. The turbos are set to make real good power. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Just wanted to show you guys a little bit of the issues I've been having with the car and some of the stuff us boosted guys, or basically anybody who wants to run a tune. You got to do the datalogging and try to stay up with it. Your tuner should not have to tell you every time it talks to you, my bad, Caleb. I should have been better at that. I've been doing it for about a week and I've been putting it off, but also every time I try to do it, it freaking rains. So hopefully he tells me everything's all good and I don't need to turn it up anymore. But you know how it is, you always want a little more. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give us a big thumbs up, and if you like the channel, subscribe, guys. We're growing. We're over 3,000 already, and we want to keep growing. Gonna have some fun videos coming up, and I hope you guys enjoy everything we put out. Thank you. Have a great day.